In a decision that took less than 7 hours, a jury has found Summit Packham guilty of 10 counts in relation to a hit-and-run accident back in 2009, where he plowed down 5 cyclists. Taking the stand in his own defense, he told the jury he'd been at a party all night long, which was in Kanata, and he was making his way home on a beautiful Sunday morning to his Kanata home. He says he doesn't really remember what happens, but figures he just fell asleep. And when he woke up, the wind was blowing on his face, his windshield was half gone. He told the jury he thought he'd just hit a small post. His lawyer, Richard Adelman, said it wasn't really a criminal act, but instead a momentary lapse of judgment. But the jury wasn't buying any of it, and this morning they came back with their decision. Guilty of 10 counts, 5 of dangerous driving causing injury, 5 of leaving the scene of an accident. Kathy Anderson, one of the 5 cyclists and the only one to actually remember being hit, said she and her friends are just relieved the court case is over.
It's very difficult to explain how I feel right now. I'm relieved, I'm anxious, I'm still nervous, just very heightened with respect to the outcome, because I really was unsure about how things were going to go. I had no idea. So all I can say is, I'm very, very satisfied and happy.
Mark White, one of the 5 cyclists, spoke to reporters outside the courthouse after the decision.
Attending the trial has lifted a great weight from my heart that my family and I have been bearing since my friends and I were struck down by the criminal negligence of one man. A man who has not shown any remorse for his reactions, and whom gambled his life and the lives of others by recklessly getting behind the wheel that morning and then fleeing the scene in an attempt to escape accountability for his criminal negligence.
For the Ottawa Sun, I'm Susan Sharing.